students, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to discuss one case study. So our case study topic is Bayes theorem. So we will discuss the case study based on our DT approach. Okay? Yes, Vita, start your empathy part.
Good morning. This is Rajshri. I am going to tell you about empathy of Bayes theorem. First one is about probability of getting genetics. First, genetic. If the parent have any disorder or disabilities, probability of getting child is also has something disabilities. So we use this Bayes theorem in that. Second one is about recommendation. For example, we all know Google. We can search. For example, we are searching that SNS. For recommendation, the name SNSCT login and SNSCT portal. Like that, it will recommend the on top. So by the user recommendation, it will show the top. So in this too, we are using the application of the Bayes theorem.
Good morning, I am Adhubani. I am here to discuss about the parts of Bayes theorem. There are 4 parts. First one is a prior probability, likelihood, evidence and posterior probability. Prior probability means what we actually get from user research. For example, we assume if the user need mobile applications over a website. Next one is likelihood, means we collect our feedback from the users. And the third one is evidence. We collect data from the users for our applications or a website. And the last one is posterior probability. We update our decisions based on what we collect the data from the users. Here the formula is P of
BI
P of BI
by A
equal to P of
BA P of A by B.
P of A by BI by summation I equal to 1 to n P of BI P of A by B.
Yes, very good. So this is the formula for Bayes.
Good morning. I am Santosh. I am here to talk about the applications of probability. Before entering the topic, we have to know what is probability. Probability is measuring like the occurrence of the event. And day-to-day life, we all use probability. Probability is present in all day-to-day life. For example, we can take an online shopping requirements. It is an e-commerce. We all have to use that. In that, when you are using an online shopping, it records your product views, most product views that includes you buy or you add to cart. It all records your history and recommends the products according to your view or your wish. In case that it also shows the probability that you before customer had used more of the products and recommends the products next to buy that.
Good morning, myself Jenica. I am here to explain about ideate of Bayes theorem. It's a probability of new things in our life to update the new information. In rarely we use the completed data for the decision making. The theorem explains about evidence should not be judged again.
Good morning everyone, myself Vimal Chandran. I am here to tell one application on probability. So in our day-to-day we use probability in many fields. I am going to talk about in weather forecasting. We use probability in weather forecasting to predict rain or sunny or whatever the weather is. So this probability in weather forecasting. Thank you.
And I am going to conclude the topic Bayes theorem by saying its real-world applications. So first is medical diagnosis. In medical diagnosis, it is used as like predicting with the help of medical reports. It is able to with Bayes theorem we can able to predict whether the patient having the particular disease or what are the probability of getting the disease. And next one is weather forecasting. Like in a certain place, if it is too sunny, then what are the probabilities? It is for rain, what are the probabilities, and for cloudy climate, what are the probability? We can predict using Bayes theorem. And next one is financial risk. So if a person is overly spending a lot of money, what are the probabilities of getting him as very poor or rich? So Next one is spam filtering. So in emails, what are the probabilities to check what are the probabilities of getting a spam email with the words in the email? It is used for checking the spams in the emails. Next one is sports. So in sports, it is used for analyzing a player's strategies. So like simply in cricket, like a player is bowling a ball, what are the probabilities of that bowler to take the next wicket? Like that, it is also used in sports. Thank you.